Hey, fellow faggots, I'm Nesperds, and I've got a fidget spinner built out of Connects, and I'm going to show you how to build it. And it works a little like this. Shut the fuck up, cat. Okay, holy shit, this camera has high FPS. now, yes, to make solo videos, I need to have a Skype call with my friends. Or friend. Because I only have one friend, because everyone else hates me. Except for my cat. Kill yourself, cat. I hate you. I was just kidding, I love my cat. Yeah, here's your Fidget Spidger. Fidget Spidger. Here you go. It's better and cheaper than this. Oh, actually, why the hell did I do this? I only did it for views because my views. Yeah. What's the point of this? Am I gonna like bring this to school tomorrow instead of that one? Oh yeah, I brought my fidget spinner to school today. Nobody said anything.
Really?
Yeah, no teacher stopped me. I was like playing with it the entire class. But yeah, there you go. There's your fidget spinner. You can play with it just like your real fidget spinner. It has a spin time of 5, 6, even up to 10 minutes. Holy shit, it actually kind of works. It's kind of fun. It just doesn't spin for very long. You know what? Don't fucking waste your time on this video. Buy this. Don't no.
These things motherfucking try to